Hey everyone, welcome to HLC Mental Parts Ltd. Today, following my step to understand a company's stamping parts production process. Our drama is using CAD to design the mold drawings. Technicians polish parts to make them more precise. Work is assembly inside into the mold. Once assembly is complete, we can move into production. Work is setting raw material for production. Install the raw material on the labeling machine. The raw materials are delivered to the mold by a conveyor. During production, we will regularly inspect our products. Quality person inspects on the dimensions of the products according to the dimensions on the drawings. QC well for inspection of product materials. After the product is fully inspected, we will unpack the product. $1,000 purite. Put an inner label on it. Finally, seal the cutter and affix outer label to facilitate identification of the goods. Put peel cut in the cutter to prevent the product from being damaged. The video ends here. Thank you for your watching. See you.